Hello and welcome to String Training. Today's class we will be focusing on the Lazy Song by Bruno Mars, and for my arrangement, capo the 4th fret, and here's the chords. We have a G, a D, and a C for the most part. Let's focus on those chords and just do the actual rhythm that's from the song. So no fingerstyle here. So the rhythm we're going to break down to 4 parts. We're going to do a bass note. This is my G chord, by the way. Play string 6, and the fingers on strings 4, 3, and 2, a percussive hit, and then the fingers again. There's our 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to repeat that over and over again. Let's apply that to the moving chords. So the chorus here, to the D, C, repeat, again. There is another repetition. Alright. We change in repetition number 4 of this chord sequence. We replace the D with a B7 grip. That is the 2nd fret, string 5, 1st fret, string number 4, and 3rd fret, string, or sorry, 3rd finger, 2nd fret, string number 3. That gets us into the verse. It's the same 3 chords, G, D, and C. Our pre-chorus, A minor, B minor, C, and a D. What's left for chords? We have the bridge, 3 chords as well, A minor, D, E minor. So that's all the chords for the piece, and it's actually a lot of fun just to play through the different parts of the song using that rhythm pattern. So let's get into doing some fingerstyle. For the chorus, which starts the piece, I don't modify the G very much. The only note I add to the rhythm part is an open 2nd string with the very first note. There it is. Then I follow through and play the rest of the rhythm part. So, moving on to the next D chord. There's not too much to the D here, it's rather just a small fragment. I start with the 2nd fret, string 3, do a pull to the open string, return to that 2nd fret, and then the open 2nd string into a partial C major grip, like that. And then adding that one other melody, again, 2nd fret, string 3, doing a hammer, open 2nd, and then going backwards through those notes. And we repeat. The melody gets a bit more syncopated a little later in the 3rd repetition, where we do the. It's more of a, like, assign your fingers to the strings over here. So when we're doing, notice my 3 fingers are on strings 1, 2, and 3. My thumb will come in and take care of these notes on strings 5, 4, and 6. But we have over the G chord, and we pull. Lots of open strings there. Grab your D without the 2nd finger. And a lot of open strings over that C major chord, right? And back into our conclusion, which is similar to the first couple passes of the melody. The verse, fairly challenging, just rhythmically, really, because there's just a lot of the open 2nd string, 2nd fret on string 3, and some open. A lot of pulls. Notice that I'm fretting my C major chord in a very odd way. It's usually like that. I bring my 1st finger over and grab that 2nd fret on string number 4. That frees my 2nd finger to do all these pulls. Alright, into the pre-chorus. Pretty much just your A minor chord. Do a pull with your 1st finger. Do the same thing over the B minor chord, only we pull with our 2nd finger. And then another one of those sequences which is similar to the chorus, where the melody, I've got these fingers kind of lined up on these 3 strings, where I'm doing the I just get those fingers lined up, and away we go into the chorus. Alright, what's left? We have our bridge. That melody repeats itself a few times over the A into that D/F sharp. I do the same kind of melody, that 3rd fret, string number 2, 2nd fret open, over the E minor chord now. A lot of open strings there in 2nd frets, right? Over the A and the D. And we just jam on the E minor chord. And we repeat. There's not a lot of variations within the melody, but that doesn't imply that it's easy. It's actually quite a challenging song because of the rhythm aspect and a lot of the staccato feel. So it was a challenge to get the arrangement going, but good luck, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks.